This is how to make a snowman. This I could just change the color. I could just change the color whatever I want, even green ones or white, but not the entire snake cube. Just only the green pieces that I could invert. Also, the white colors inside. See? It's all white. Not editing. I don't know how to edit this video, but I'm not some sort of a YouTuber guy. Also, don't mind me being slow. Please don't call me grandpa. I'm a 8-year-old kid after my birthday. Look, it's white, green, green. Going to invert it. Just do like I did before, but do it on the other side and make it. So that's how to make a snake cube. I'm going to. I get started. I always get started. I make a video. I'm still practicing English, but I know English for a long time. Okay, we start here. What about we start on the other side? Let me just. I'm done. Sorry for the cut. This is the white form. I'm going to make it into solid state, but it's a part 2. And also, there is a fun secret about this. Wait, you could make this into something. I mean, you could make it into this, or you could just make it into a snake. I don't know. Not a scientist. I'm going to go to the. This is its solid state. This. I'm going to go to the pattern. I'm going to go quickly. This is the Adam's point pattern. This is the. What was it?